Yahoo Logo bloopers. Cut. NET, what are you doing here? I'm looking for PBS Kids. Sorry, NET, but PBS Kids isn't here. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. I'll leave the studio. Bye, NET. Alright. Take 2. Cut. Turn Disney, what are you doing here? I'm looking for Disney XD. Here I am. Okay, you two guys, get out of the logo. Yahoo! Yeah, I'll sing again. Take 3. Cut. Georgia Peach, what are you doing here? I'm looking for my station. Well, this is not your station, so get out of the studio. Fine. And now let's think again. Take 4 songs. Cut. Power Up Media, what are you doing here? I'm trying to find a station. Whoa, this is not your station, so get out of here. Fine. And now I'll think again. Take 5. Cut. Ragdoll, what are you doing here? I'm trying to find Teletubbies. Teletubbies isn't here, so get out of here. Fine, I'll get out. And I'll think again. Take 6. Hold it right there. Red, it's you. That's right. I'm taking over the studio. Take all my scary logos out. Hold it right there. Oh no. What are we gonna do, Yahoo? I know. I'll punch you guys out. Thank you, Yahoo, for saving us. Alright, now you can try again for the final, but this is your warning, Yahoo. What is it? This is your warning, Yahoo. What is it? If you screw up one more time in a row, you're fired. You understand, Yahoo? I understand. Alright, so, Yahoo, you ready for the last take? Yep, I'm ready for the last take. Yep, I'm so ready for that. Last take. Alright, so we might take the last one. Because of the last take for Yahoo Logo bloopers. But yeah, not like that. I'm not thinking that'd be good. So yeah, acting like a little spoiled brat. Nothing could happen to the rest of the Yahoo Logo bloopers. All those kind of chaotic stuff. So since you punched those logos out, we need to take the last take. Cut. That's it. Yahoo, you're fired. Get out of the studio right now. I don't want to hear another one. Oh, darn it. I'm fired. Thank you guys for watching this episode of Yahoo Logo bloopers. Hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. If you want to make sure that you gotta check out this Nick Jr. commercial break, please let me know. You make sure that every Yahoo Logo series is gonna be the best thing ever. So, but anyway, so yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please remember to like, comment, maybe even subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I will see you Okay, I'll see you next week. Peace out.